When I was first starting photography, I didn't realize I could get all of this from Amazon to step up my photography game. So Amazon is like the best invention in the world, and TikTok and Instagram, they're just all over it, and we all know that Amazon is amazing. Hi, my name is Abby, and welcome to my channel all about content creation, photography, and lifestyle. Today's video is not sponsored, but if Amazon likes me, then you can use my links down below. But today we're going to be talking about some of the gadgets or some of the accessories that I used for my own photography business, and I hope that it helps you. Please go ahead and subscribe and help a sister out and get your notification setting on, and go ahead and like this video and even comment down below what your Amazon must-have is. And wait till the end to see something that you wouldn't expect in my photo kit from Amazon. Okay, number one, let's go ahead and talk about SD cards. So when I was first starting, I didn't realize that there were differences between the cards besides the capacity. There's actually this thing called the write and the read speed, which involves how fast your gear can capture and take the data in. So if you've ever used your camera before and there was a slight lag between you taking the picture and you previewing in the back of your camera, it's probably because of your SD card, and you need to look into that. So it gets a little confusing reading the SD card because there's a lot of numbers and words on it, but I'm going to go ahead and link a video and an article down below so you can view that. But personally, I look at the speed, the max read and write speed, which is on the upper left usually, and my favorite SD card has 170 megabytes per second, so it's pretty fast. And I also look at this number in the circle or in the C, and that tells you, I think, the speed level or the class level for the speed, and this is the 10 speed, class 10, which means it's a lot faster, because I've had those situations where I'm just shooting multiple shots in a row and it was just way too slow. So I'm going to link mine down below, and feel free to view the article and the video as well. Alright, second, an SD card organizer. So this isn't cute at all, but if you want to be more organized and you want to keep your SD cards a lot longer, then get you one. Right now, this is new to me, so I'm trying to figure out a system. I think I might have some SD cards facing up to show that those are new and ready to use, and then the ones facing down are old and are full of images that I'm still backing up and saving for later. Third, an external hard drive. So if you are not backing up your images online or on a drive, you need to start, because that is so important. I haven't lost any of my clients' images yet, and I don't plan to, but when one of my external drives actually started shutting down on me, I contacted Seagate, and their customer service was phenomenal. They sent me one as a temporary replacement, as I sent them the one that I wanted fixed, and they paid for shipping, and once they fixed that, they returned it to me free of charge and had all of my images in, and I was just so very thankful, because that would have been sad if I lost all of that. They were backed up somewhere else, but still. So after that scare, I decided to invest in an external hard drive case to keep my drive protected. This isn't cute, but this will be water resistant, and it will just keep my hard drive safe. Another must-have from Amazon is a diffuser. So I'm using mine right now actually for this video. It's on top to diffuse the light falling on my face. But when I first got this, I didn't really use it that much because it doesn't really actually have a handle, so it's hard to shoot and use at the same time. But if you have an assistant, this is perfect. I'm going to link a video down below that will tell you how to use this. If you have ever used flash before and your battery started overheating and it took forever to recycle, then get yourself the Panasonic N-Loop batteries that are rechargeable. I don't really use flash that often, but when I do use it for wedding receptions and indoor events, then I know I can rely on this, and it's pretty fast, and I know I'm not really wasting my money on disposable batteries. Alright, the one Amazon must-have that I have in my camera kit that you would not suspect is hand warmers. So as a photographer, you're not just giving great photos, you're also delivering customer service. So if you're shooting a lot of fall and winter weddings and events, you need to get yourself some hand warmers and treat your clients and make them warm and happy. So those were just my 7 quick Amazon must-haves. I know Amazon Prime is coming this October 13th, so make sure you have this list down. Some of these won't really be on sale though, but just in case. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified of my new videos every Saturday, and go ahead and like it and comment again your favorite must-have so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon, but till then, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.